of the fridges that you buy, if they have this plug, just go ahead and return it, because I guarantee you it will stop working the same day the warranty wears out. These plugs are absolute garbage. They stop connecting correctly within 60 to 90 days. And I don't know why. I mean, I could understand if you were plugging it and unplugging it every single day, but I only plug it and unplug it maybe twice a week because I use it for work. And I'm very gentle with it, follow all the instructions about turning it off before I do any of that. And still, I've had 3 of these so far with the round plug, and every single one of them did the exact same thing as soon as the warranty wore out.
So the unit is running, the motor's running. It's blowing air, but it's not cold, and there's no light in the back. I have to say, from the time I got it, it has always had a lot of condensation here at the bottom, water condensation, to the point where, like, probably once a week I would have to remove everything and towel it out to get rid of the water. Okay, so I hope this helps. I loved it while it worked. Thanks.
Hi, I wanted to come on here and do a review on the Kulili mini fridge in the 10L size that I ordered. I ordered it for my beauty room, so I ordered the gold because it looked elegant and classy. I've heard reviews, I've read reviews where it says it's kind of loud. I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but I don't think it's loud at all. It's just normal. It's very spacious. I didn't think it would fit both my day and night skincare routines in here, and it did, and there's even space for more. It's worth your money. I really recommend it.
Okay, looking at my little cooler, I love it. It's small enough for my desk here at work, along with all my other stuff. I work in a school, and I'm a night custodian, and I live in Ohio, and the summer here was very humid, so this cooler actually kept my drinks colder than the refrigerator that we have upstairs in the lounge. So actually, this is a really great buy. I wouldn't hesitate to buy it. Ta-da.